Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever applied for jobs on Indeed, you might have wondered how do you message an employer. Today I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and what to say to make a great impression. Let's get started. First thing first, can you message an employer before applying? Unfortunately, no. Indeed does not allow you to contact an employer before you have submitted your application. But once you have applied, and if the employer has enabled messaging, you can reach out directly. Here's how. If messaging is available, you can find it in three ways. On your My Jobs page, scroll the job listing and look for the Send a Message option. Click the link in an email inviting you to message the employer. Check your notification center for a message alert. Any of this option will take you to the messaging page where you can type and send your message. Now, what should you say in your message? Here's a quick guide. Start with a friendly professional greeting. If the hiring manager's name is in the job listing, use it. Mention the job title and date you applied. Personalize your message. Show that you have done some research on the company. Ask a relevant question that is not already answered in the job posting. End with a polite thank you and a professional sign off. And most importantly, pour Fred before hitting send. That is it. Sending a well crafted message can help you stand out and show your enthusiasm for the role. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech and job hunting tips. See you in the next one.